So, since I broke, two of the top of the screws off, I sprayed it with some COP. There's, and I'm gonna spray it with a little more, and then I'm kind of work the screw back and forth because I've gotten it loose enough so I can move it. Work it back and forth, trying to get everything cleaned up in there. So, yeah. Go on that side. Put it on the screw once I find it, and work it back and forth. Just about every turn it moves just a little further. I've now made one complete rotation. And I broke that one off. Okay, so I think I can go, I'm gonna try and take that off the throttle body. We'll have to get something to get those out. Get the broken off part out, but maybe we can get the screws out of this one and hopefully they're the same. But I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to set this over here. So, alright, anyhow. So, back on the carburetor. We got these jets out. I'm going to continue flushing everything out with some more brake cleaner. Alright. I don't know what my dog is doing over yonder. He's beating a dog, I reckon. Anyhow. So I'm going to put it in the end here. You just watch my finger. And flush it out pretty good. Same with this one. Oops. Alright, where'd that go? Alright, now I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna put these off to the side actually. Get a little more. Spray down in here. Well, that's in my drink now. These back down there. Tighten those back. Right, come here. That's not where you go. You can't stay there. The accelerator pump in. Alright, so you gotta put that long spring in there first. Then here's the, well, most of the new one. Where's the one here? Back on this one. Yep. Well, that's a lot of springs for this. Let's see. It's actually right much easier. To put on and take off. Well, I say that. As I put it there. Ow, my finger. There we go. Right, accelerator pump. Right, and that goes down in there. And press the pedal, it pushes it down. And dumps fuel onto there. Alright, now that's assembled. Alright, so, well, I didn't realize I wasn't recording. Anyway, I got the gasket scraped off of here. I got everything in here like it's supposed to be. So now I guess I can put this gasket on and then the top piece after I find that. But first put the accelerator pump back in there. If I can find the, well, if I can find it. There it is. Yeah, there we go. Whee. Anyway, so which gasket are you? This way. Before I tighten anything down, let me make sure that there, ow, my finger, ain't nothing missing. Alright, that's okay. So we can bolt this on now. Actually, one more thing. Good thing is I ain't gonna take it completely out. Now, I'd almost bet that I put that in backwards and I have to take the whole top off again. Well, I'll find out. And then trying to remember. My brain's got to do some remembering here. Yes, I completely forgot what I was doing too. That didn't help. So. so editing the video. Turns out I lost part of the video. The last 10 minutes or so, whatever. I have no idea where it went, so. Yeah. Well, anyway. I think y'all are more excited about seeing it go on the S10 anyhow. So, yeah. Anyhow. See you next one. Bye.